Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Shack. My name's Lisa, and today we're going to talk about organizing your craft room. So today I'm going to show you how to organize paper storage. And if you're a crafter, any crafter, I think you have some paper in your craft room. So I'm going to show you how I organize my paper. Now, these videos are going to come and go, and I'm going to show you how to organize everything else in your craft room. I will tell you that products have worked for me, products have not worked for me. And for the past year or so, my paper storage has been amazing to organize, and it's been working out for me. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so this is where I store all my paper. Now, everything is very reachable. Everything is kind of together, that type of thing. I have this unit right here, and then I have this unit, and then I have down here. So if you guys have a lot of paper like I do, and you just accumulate, where the heck do you put it? If you run out of room like I do, put it in a different shelf unit, that type of thing, but make sure it's all next to each other. So when you're trying to go for paper, it's all right there. So I'm going to show you this little caddy. I got it at Michael's, and this just holds my cardstock paper, not the big cardstock paper, but the little cardstock paper. And I just do each and every colors on there. I do put some of my stencils down here just because, but that does work for me because I used to have it on top of here and it was just getting a little too tall. So I moved it here, and it definitely works. So let's go over here. So this unit right here is from Michael's. I've had it for years, and I mean forever. So it is by the Recollections company, that type of thing. And I'm telling you, I've had this for like 20 years and definitely has worked. I will definitely recommend this in any type of way. I've put so much weight on this thing and it has held up. So let's get started right over here. I do put my bigger, like 12 by 12 cardstock paper in here. I don't have a lot. That's why it's right here, because I usually just grab these. So then we have down here, this is all my Disney paper, my Disney big packs of paper to just my 12 by 12. And I want to keep my Disney completely separated from everything. So that is in here. Now, you guys, your mini papers to your inspirational papers, that type of thing, project cards, all of that, they go in here, and I organize them with these envelopes that you can get at the Dollar Tree. These actually work out perfect. I do organize these as well with each collection with a binder clip, and I put it right in here. So when I'm just like fishing through this, I know what like collection or duplicates I have. These are just different collections I have as well. You can actually label that, but as you can see, these hold up pretty good. I love these, and they fit pretty much anywhere in my craft room. But you can definitely get these at the Dollar Tree. You can get these bigger ones as well, that type of thing. These mini papers. So mini papers is cards basically to like stuff like this, or stuff like that's in a big pack like this. I even have like stuff like this. I just don't want to throw up, but they're like mini packs, and it definitely works out. You know, I know where everything is. So that's it for this unit. For this one right here, I have all my scraps. Where do you put your scraps? Like, you have to have a place for your scraps, or you're just wasting them. Please don't waste. You can definitely use them. Save yourself a lot of money. So I have neutral scraps, color scraps right here. And I organize all my scraps with these envelopes from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 of them for $1. You do get clear, and there's ones that are pink and purple, but I would definitely get the clear ones. These do hold up pretty good. So I put my white and my neutral and black scraps in here, and then I put all my color scraps in here as well. So as you can see, I did all that, and I put like sparkly paper scraps. So that definitely works out, and they fit perfectly in here, you know. So I always go through my scraps first, and if I don't have the size paper I need, then I go over here. So this is all right here, access, that kind of thing. Then right here, it's all my vintage paper. Now my vintage is a lot of collections, and I like to keep all my collections together as well. So like this is like my vintage like Japan paper, and then this is all my map paper, and then I have like stuff like this. And these envelopes I got on Team, you guys. These are great. These are actually for stamps, but you can use these for paper. This is for my scraps, vintage, so I always keep that. And then I actually definitely use some labels as well too. So this is like my circus paper. And then you have fantasy. Now these are Ziploc zip ones. I did get these off Amazon, and these actually work really great. I used to have these for puzzles, that type of thing, but I have Alice in Wonderland. Now just remember, this is all really vintage stuff, like steampunk, that type of thing. And then I have all my pads and my Tim Holtz papers in here that I do grab here and there at certain stores. And if I just grab like a sheet of paper that's vintage, I put it right in here. And everything actually goes perfectly in here. Like it just works out, and I could just fish right through them. And like something like this, you can definitely see it. So that's why I did not label it. So right here are all my pads of paper, which this is insane. Like they're 12 by 12 paper pads. And I'm telling you, like if you get stuff like this was at Michael's for $5, like hello, you know. So of course I got 1 to 2 of them, but these are all my paper pads. Even stuff like these are all in one collection, and I got it on clearance. That goes over here as well because I want it all in one. So that's all my paper pads. Now inspirational papers is like things I would love to do that say things, quotes, that type of thing, especially for like my happy planners. I do keep a lot of like quotes and stuff like that. So that's my inspirational papers. As you can see, there's another collection down there. So that is like fall fishing, and like I do like a lot of pictures and stuff like that. So that's what I have in here. I have this box in here for occasions. So that is completely different. But over here I have paper. Now I always use every inch of my craft room, and I mean every inch. This is just one of those Dollar Tree paper organizers, and I put all like my new cardstock paper in here. So if I run out of here, it's always here, that type of thing. I do have cardboard in here as well, so that's where I store that. Okay, and then when you come down here, I put these like 12 by 12 like plastic organizers. Now these are really cool. These are great for organization, for collections, to anything. But paper, 12 by 12 paper definitely fits in here, which is great. So I would definitely get these at Hobby Lobby. I got them for $3.99 Hobby Lobby all day, and they're still like this. And Michael's has them, I think, $4.99 if it is a good day, maybe $5.99, that type of thing. Save yourself some money, go to Hobby Lobby, okay? But I store all my papers in here. So I do have travel design paper, rustic paper, etc., meaning whatever, you know. And then I have my Etsy, which I do have an Etsy business, and I do use paper. So I use that, and I have glitter down here. Now, up here, I do have these envelopes that you can get at Hobby Lobby. Now, I do use these for collections. So I have Harry Potter. Harry Potter stickers are right here because they have like these little pockets. Love these, you know, so I always have stuff like this. And then the paper goes right in here, the 12 by 12 paper, and it holds it right in here safely. No creases, no nothing. I love these. They're very thick. You get 3 of them for, I think, $3.99, which I think is not bad at all. So those actually go right there. And then coming over here, right here is just my Tim Holtz books and stuff, because I have all my stamping stuff up here, that type of thing, and don't know where to put it, so I'm putting it right there. Okay, and then right here is more of like holiday related, that type of thing. I will say that I do put my Say Cheese line here. This is like a Disney line. I wanted to put that whole collection in one, and I have boho, okay, because I only have so much room, guys. Then I do holidays. Now, as you can see here, Christmas is down here because I love Christmas, and I have 2 of these 12 by 12 bins. So anyway, I wanted to pull these out and kind of show you. This is how I actually organize them. These are Christmas paper pads. Yes, that's insane how many Christmas paper pads I have, because sometimes you get them on clearance, that type of thing. But these are my 12 by 12 papers, and every single collection or every single bin that I have, I always have a scrap envelope. Always, 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 because I want to go through the scraps first before I take the 12 by 12 new paper. And that's in every single bin, okay? So that's how I actually organize those. And then I do have Halloween, and like I said, I have those envelopes. And these envelopes are amazing. Like I said, here are the other colors. I have 4th of July, St. Patty's Day, and Valentine's Day. And these are the colors that they do come in. This one is packed to the brim. I have a paper pad in here as well. So it does fit really nicely. And then I put all my scraps in the front, as you can see here and here, you know. So then I have, and then these right here, I do get these ones at Hobby Lobby. They are $1.99. They are this thick, so about like an inch, I would say. And you could put a lot of paper in here, and I mean a lot of paper. But I didn't have enough of these at the time, so I just grabbed one of these. And these actually have like a little lip to it, and then I put like all my Easter spring paper in here, so I have all that, and it actually fits perfectly. Like, I could put another bin, but I wanted each and every one of them to have their own envelope. And sometimes you don't need a bin for each of one of these, because I used to have one, and it was like, I mean, 4th of July, I had like no paper. So it was just like wasting space. By not wasting space, grab these envelopes. All right. And you guys, that is it. And if you guys think this is very helpful, give me that thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe, I would love you on board. And I'll see you next one. Bye, guys. Take care.